Hey folks, Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and this is my hot take on landscape videos versus vertical videos. And I'm sorry, but vertical videos win, especially if you're posting on social media. Take a listen. And as you can tell here, these are all optimized for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So you can use all these for those particular platforms, and they're all vertical. Let's talk about this. Vertical video is now the now, and for the foreseeable future, it is the future. Do I like it? No, I don't. But the reality is, when you're scrolling through your phone and you come across a 16:9 video on TikTok, and it's these giant black bezels and it's just the video in the middle, it's not a bad thing, but the video itself is very small because you're trying to fit everything that's on your screen into that 1/3 space of a 9:16 ratio. So whatever it is that you're trying to show off, like landscape right here, is basically what I'm talking about, with an additional overlay on underneath that's blurry, but it's very, very small. You can't really showcase exactly what you want everybody to see. My problem with that is that when you're scrolling through video, it is very rare that someone is gonna stop at your video when it looks like that. Now, I don't have specific numbers, but the vast majority of content creators and marketing experts that have dealt with this and have had the same kind of, I guess, reaction to vertical videos have seen the benefit of vertical videos, and utilizing something like the face cam template or even the split template, albeit that it is zoomed in on your gameplay, you're effectively zooming in on the most important aspect, which is what you want to show everybody. So what do you think? Do you think that it's going to change anytime soon, or are we stuck with this? So for the time being, I recommend you use the tool that we talked about in the other video. Make sure you go check that out up there. And if you like this content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, check out some of our other stream tutorials and reviews of streaming hardware and other pieces of kit, and let me know what you folks think. So until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Later.